What's up, you guys, and thank you for tuning in to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, hit the link, ring the bell. Today, we are talking about mortgage forbearance and what is a mortgage forbearance. Mortgage forbearance is when the mortgager delays the payments for the next 3 months, whatever you guys agree on. And it's very important that you know exactly what you're getting yourself into. Read the fine print, read the paperwork, understand what a mortgage forbearance is. In those 3 months, at the end of those 3 months, those payments are due. So if your payment is $2,000 a month, then your mortgage due at the end of those 3 months will be $6,000. And it's very important that you talk to your mortgager and make them understand your situation. Most of the time, keep in mind, mortgage banks do not want to foreclose on a property. So 9 times out of 10, they are going to work it out with you to the point where you won't have to foreclose on your property. In the process of forbearance, they do not report to the credit bureau, so you don't have to worry about your credit being damaged. And also, you are able to file for a financial hardship, and they will normally, with a financial hardship, if it is approved, they will modify your loan. If they modify your loan, then it's a possibility that you could get a lower interest rate and a lower payment. It's a possibility that you may even get help with your loan as a whole. You just don't know. So it's best to apply. So apply for the hardship. You may want to apply for the hardship a month before the forbearance period is up. That's what I would recommend. But you talk to your mortgager and you get some assistance from them. But make sure you understand exactly what a forbearance is, because a forbearance is not a suspension of payments. I want to make that clear. Deferment, maybe yes, but a forbearance, no. A forbearance is they will ask for those payments due once the forbearance period is up. Now, there's a possibility that they may extend your forbearance to another 3 months, or they may extend it to another 6 months. You just never know. But it's best to communicate with your mortgage company and let them know your situation and your status. But I hope that this video was able to help you with your forbearance mortgage. If you have any questions or any comments, please leave them below. I'd like to thank you guys for tuning in to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Peace.